Hi internet. Clean your lens so that you look clear. It's just me. Lane's gone to work. So pulling the engine in trans. You get the engine back up on the stand and start prepping it for gap and rings. What else do we got to do? I cut some holes in the floor of this. I got to cut this out. I think, yeah, we decided right here and right here is where we're gonna cut the holes. That's where the cage is gonna come down, tuck, and then come out to our sill bars that we're putting on the frame to get a little bit extra width. Engine's back off. Pretty sure it's still full of oil. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm going to figure out how to keep this clean. Pull the heads. Drop the pan. Get prepared for cap and rings. I'm going to put the brake lines back in too while the engine's out. Everything all lined up real nice. So that's where we're at. Got my brake lines all back installed. They tuck in so nice with these clips. Tucked in. Engine's out. I started cutting the holes for where the cage is going to come through. I got to do more cleanup. We got to let the little die grinder to get in there and clean that up. But yeah, making little bits of progress. There's always those little things that take for friggin' ever. So if you've been a part of the channel since basically we started, you've seen the inside of this engine. This is the same one that was in chip, obviously. So let's take a quick look here. Still as clean as can be in there. You know, it's not that big of a deal, but just put the rockers and the rods front of the driver's side. That's the side to pull it off of. The other side I'll put front passenger side, just so I know. I know they're rollers and it's not really that big of a deal. It's not like a flat tappet, but it's always just nice to know. Got the first head off. A little bit of carbon buildup, but I mean, that looks good. Happy with that. Inside of the head look. Man, what a good engine Lane got. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. We'll pull the other side off and see what the other side looks like. I mean, you've all seen what the typical LS looks like on the inside, but still needs to be done. Hi, Lane.
Hi.
He's back.
I'm back again.
But sad. Lane, do you have the big sad?
I have the big sad. I don't know how well you'll see it in the camera. You'll probably see it better on...
You can see a little bit of it there. I'll go grab the other one. This engine, we need to do some bearings. I don't know if you can see it.
Number one.
Oh, there you go.
Number one rod bearing.
We had a discussion about, I was like, let's order bearings. then we know it's fresh. We're pulling it apart anyway. And it's like, it's gonna be fine. Yeah, first one we touch. I mean, bearings isn't a big deal, and then we know it's fresh.
Yeah.
But the crank, that spot will just need a little bit of a polish, so it'll be okay. And the next one over is pretty good. But yeah, if you can.
Hopefully we can. There's a.
Tell me how you really feel.
Not good.
It'll be okay. Well, at least you're home. Oh, hey. Oh shit. Riskyhabits.ca. Buy this shit. Subscribe. Buy a shirt so we can buy a crank apparently.
I mean, they. Hi, the internet, YouTube. We bought an LS6 cam.
Yeah, I guess we lied.
I was on one of the marketplaces on Facebook, and it was posted for $100. So I was like, $100 can't go wrong.
What's up, dogs? Another unboxing video. Summit coming in clutch to us boys here in Canada all the time. Doesn't take a million years to get up here, so it's a blessing, especially when you're waiting for them. Bubble wrap. Ooh, catalog. Gucci. Hey. Here. Rod bolts. And rod bolts. Rod bolts. Rod bolts. Head bolts. They're just, these are trick flows. Just head bolts. We didn't do head studs yet. We're gonna upgrade later. Then, gonna order a nice set of trying not to cut myself. Brian Tooley valve springs. Oh yeah. Oh, look at these units. Woo! These are got a 660 lift because we're putting that LS6 in, but we know the camshaft we're going to put in eventually is going to have a 600 lift. That's what we want. I'm not exactly sure which camshaft it is, but that's what we're getting, so we need to do. Oh, also, while I have you, we has more oh no's. We're doing mains too. Tis what it is. Forgot to film an outro, so here we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, we appreciate you. Leave us some feedback. We could use it. Want to know what we're doing right, doing wrong. We're make some big progress in the next video. As you've seen, we got shirts now. They're at riskyhabits.ca. I'll put that up here or over there or wherever it ends up. We appreciate the support, and as of this video going live, I know a few people have got it. So if you're seeing this, send us pictures of you in it. We're gonna do a little collage for Instagram or whatever, but we appreciate you. Thank you for watching. And remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.